Do you know many people are having trouble with making their voice clearer during phone calls? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Install Smart Control. Download and install the Smart Control app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open Sound Settings. Open the Smart Control app and go to the Sound Effects/Equalizer settings. Step 3. Select Sound Presets. Choose or create the sound effects presets that work best for you. Step 4. Sync earbuds. Ensure both earbuds are powered on to sync the settings. Step 5. Customize controls. Customize control functions for optimal music playback and mic clarity. Step 6. Use SoundCheck. Use the SoundCheck function to fine-tune your settings. Now, your voice should be clearer and more audible during your phone calls with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sennheiser users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.